Hello and welcome to this tutorial series where I am going to install development tools to do web development for Laravel and maybe for WordPress. So there are some basics tools that almost every web developer is using. So in this series I'm going to install everything I need step by step, and you can follow along and maybe learn something. So the first thing, this is an absolutely clean MacBook Pro that I have. It's a small 13-inch screen, so this video will not be in like 1080 resolution, but this is the computer that I used to learn myself web development. So the first thing you need is to install Git. So just head on to this website. It's called git-scm.com. And the web browser are going to detect your operating system. And it says here that I should download this for Mac, so I do that. So the download didn't start, so then you click here. Download manually. So I just open it up and start the installer. And double click there. And as you can see, I can't open it. So what I need to do is, I think you just control click this and select open. And then you get the option to ignore the warning and just install it by pressing the open or install button here. It's in Swedish, but yours may say open, I guess. So we just continue. Install. Then put in your computer password. Now the installation is ready. Press close. And we close down these windows. And we can press Command E to get rid of that. So let's open up the terminal. Just search for terminal. And it opens up the terminal. We can get the text a bit bigger. Control plus. Let's see. Select the window. Control plus. And we can type git. And as you can see, we have git installed. Command minus something like that. And say git -- version. And we have version 2.10 here. So clear. So what we're going to do now is to set up Git. So we need to give Git our username and our email and do some configuration for that. So I do a global configuration. That means that I'm the only user for this computer. So I want to access this user for Git, which is me, Niklas Wennerstrand, and I want to access this from every folder everywhere. So it's a global configuration. So write git config -- global. and I want user dot name, and I pass in my name. Like that. And then we go git global user email. And that would be my email. Like that. And then I want a third little option here, and that is to enable some colors of the Git outputs. And that's called color dot UI. Set that to true. And now we can take a look at our configuration. Say git config -- list. Yeah, and down here we can see the username, Niklas Wennerstrand, user email, wennerstrand@gmail.com, color UI equals true. So now we have set up Git, and let's head on to the next video.